Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be about something that I've got from Nykaa. It's not a very big haul, but I just wanted to share a few things that I've got from Nykaa. So let's get started. So here is everything that I got from Nykaa. I've put it here in this basket and I'll show you one by one. I've already unpacked it. I'm sorry, I could not wait. So first thing that I have is this body mist, which is blue in color and is called Sweet Ocean. Packaging is amazing, and the cap is so hard to pull it off. And this feels heaven. I don't know how do I explain you, but it's that little woody smell, a little fresh smell. Not fresh when I say not lemony, because I kind of I'm allergic to lemonish smell. But this is amazing smell, and this is not more than I think I paid. I'll mention the price somewhere here, but this is one thing that you must try. This is blue in color and amazing, very fresh, you know, and it stays for a very long time. Every time I pass by a place, people say, "Do you wear it? Do you every half an hour?" That's how fresh it is, and that's how not very strong, but then that's how it is. It's very classy, very elegant smell, and of course. It looks great. Yeah, so that was my first buy. Second up, I have again, which is I don't know what you call it. It's kind of a perfume, but it's a roll-on perfume. You got to put it here. And trust me, guys, this is something as equivalent or as good as, if I may say, Davidoff. The smell is more or less just the same. And this is Iba Halal Raindrop. Yeah, it comes in this kind of a packaging. It comes in a cardboard packaging, very safe. Yeah. And inside you get this 5 ml or 10 ml bottle. This packaging is not very, I'm not a big fan, not very impressed because it's a little loose and keeps coming off. Yeah, but oops. But when I say it's compared, you could compare this to Davidoff. Need I say more? So this is also towards a little stronger side, but the smell is again a little woody type, a little fresh, refreshing type. This is how the bottle is, and this is what it looks like. Eba Halal. It's a beautiful bottle, and the smell is amazing. I'm not sure how to explain a smell to you through through a picture or through a video, but to know what it is, you must try it. And if they could actually work on the packaging, I'm sure this would be time and again buy. I'm sure I'm gonna buy it again. This is amazing. No matter how much I talk about it, no matter how much I say about this is a beautiful piece. This one I guess was 372 and this is 192. So off late there was some sale in Nykaa, and that's where I got all these stuff from. Okay, next up I got something from Biotique. So guys, Biotique is something which says 100% botanical. I'm not sure if you can read it, but Biotique says 100% botanical products. So there is no mixing, no animal product, no animal fat or tested on animals. This is 100%, they claim so, and I'm sure it is 100% botanical. So this is something which is called a bio honey. Yeah, it's a face wash. It's a foaming face wash. I'm sorry, face wash. This is called honey. I'm not sure if you can read it, but that's what it is. It's got a lot of lather. You take a little bit of it and it gives you a lot of lather. It's extremely smooth and very light, very light for your face. So I have been using this for say not less than 5 or 6 years, and this is time and again, this is exactly what I use. This is only what I use, and I can swear by it. And this was nothing but 149. Yeah, just 149. So I'm not letting this go. I'm gonna stick to it forever and ever. Okay, and then I got this amazing papaya scrub from Biotique again. So guys, I'll do a separate haul for Biotique because I'm a hardcore fan of Biotique, and the products that I use, the moisturizer or whatever I use, comes from Biotique. So this is a face. This is a papaya scrub. It's got very light, very minute particles, that you can scrub on your face, and it doesn't leave you, very harsh or your skin burning. Again, this is 100% botanical, so you don't have to bother. I kind of use this every second day to exfoliate, to when you go to accumulate a lot of dust and sand and things. So it's good. It helps you make, helps you look fresh and all. So this is another Biotique product. Up next, I have this amazing Mua lipstick. I'm not sure if you've heard, but this is an international brand. It's called Mua, yeah, and this is whipped velvet. Yeah, it's called whipped velvet. This is amazing, beautiful shade. I'll give you a swatch. Yeah, very creamy, and the smell is awesome. It smells like vanilla ice cream, or say butterscotch ice cream, because that's my favorite. Yeah, that's how it smells. And need I say more? I paid close to 600 for this, but this is a must buy, a worth buying, product. And now that the summers are in, so I would prefer those lights and very good colors, summerish colors. So this was one. Um, then I got two more lipsticks. I'm crazy for lipstick. This is again Iba Halal. Iba Halal is, they claim that these are vegan products. Vegan is something which means no dairy products. Dairy would mean no fat or animal product or milk or anything. So it comes in this kind of a packaging. This is A85, I'm sorry, A85 morning nectar is what it is called, and everything is mentioned here. So if they are vegan, I'm sure no sign or name of any animal being used on animal, and of course no dairy product also. This is the packaging, and this is the actual piece. It's called Iba Halal, and the this is what the product is. It's a beautiful color. I'll just give you a little swatch. I'm not sure if it is, you'll be able to see. This is the color. This is a nudish color. This is something close to, if you've used the most prevalent, lipstick from Nykaa, which is called Nori Nude. So this is something of that sort. Very similar, extremely similar to Nori Nude. Yeah. This is how it is, and it is very cheap. It's very inexpensive. I think I paid 190 or 195. I'm sure not more than 200. Yeah, look at the color. It's beautiful, beautiful color. So this was my Iba Halal, and I'll show you another one that I got. Right. So up next I have this Color Bar lipstick, which is very common. I'm sure you must have used. This is my second buy again, and this is called Thrilling Pink. Yeah, it's a beautiful color. It's a very summerish color. You could wear it when you're going out during the daytime. I've worn this in a couple of videos also, but this is a brand new one. See, haven't even used it. It's pretty new. Yeah, it is. Wow, it's more or less the same color of nail paint that I'm wearing. I'll give you a little swatch. This is how it is. This one is A85, which was Iba Halal, and this is Thrilling Pink from Color Bar. Beautiful color it is. It's a must try for summers. Yeah, and this was I'm not sure how much I paid. I think 220 or 250. So pretty inexpensive. All right, and then next up I have this blush brush that I got. Blush brush. That's almost a tongue twister. Okay, this is how it is. If you can see, extreme. This is Vega. Yes, this is Vega. Yeah, and this is extremely smooth, and I cannot call it creamy, but the bristles are too sweet, too soft, sweet I said, and it's quite soft, yeah, very soft. So I really liked it. I had a lot of brushes, but I did not have something which I could use for my blush, something really light. So this is what I got, and I could have used it. I can use it like this. Yeah, this I guess I paid 80 or 90 bucks. I'll list the price somewhere here in case you're really interested. So That's a cute little thing that I got. Yeah. Okay. Now all I'm left with is my nail paints. I'm crazy about nail paints. Okay, so the first one is the streetwear nail paint. I don't know how should I show you the swatch. And these are all 90 bucks, 90 rupees for all of them. This is one color that I got. Yeah, but this is what it is. And I got a pink from Color Show, Maybelline Color Show. So this retails for 110 rupees, but because of the sale, I got it for 90 bucks. Yeah, I don't know the number. Yeah, it's called 211. Yeah, that's the number. Pretty color, very pretty. Okay, so the next one I have is another one from Color Show, Maybelline Color Show, and the number is 216. This is completely red, totally red, tiny size, and yeah, it's not blood red, it's got a tint of black, so I would call it maroonish. Yeah, and that's how it is. Beautiful. Again, 90 bucks. This is blood red. Yeah, this is what I got from again Color Show from Maybelline, and the number is 708. This is totally red, blood red, and red is one color that anybody and everybody can carry on, can carry it off. So this was again 90 bucks. Last but not the least, favorite of everybody, at least mine, is black. I got this from Color Bar. I've already used it once. See, look at the way I've dirtied the cover. Pardon me. And this is how it is. I got this one for 130, I guess, 125 or 130. I'll mention the price in case you're interested. So yeah, that's about it. So guys, that's about my haul from Nykaa. I've bought these beautiful products. I made the most of the sale that was going on from Nykaa at Nykaa. In case you really find this video useful, or you really liked watching, or you really feel like staying connected, please subscribe to my channel down below. Just hit the red button. It's completely free. Yeah, it will not cost you a penny. And we stay connected. Anytime I upload any video, you get to get in touch. You get to see me straight away. And in case you have a feedback or anything that you liked about the video, you did not like about the video, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I'm okay with it. A feedback is always constructive. And if you want to share something with me, if you want to share a feedback with me, please make sure you comment down below, and I'd be more than happy to accept the feedback. So yeah, that's all. I love you all. Take good care of yourself, and see you soon. Bye bye.